Hi guys, so in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix snapshot effects easily and fast. First thing guys, if you have any problem with the filters, this tutorial is gonna help you a lot. First thing, open the settings, go to the apps manager, and when you go to the apps, search for snapshot right here. If you didn't find it, you can search for it here in the search bar. Click on snapshot, click on force stop, and after that go to the data usage here. When you click on data usage, make sure to enable all the options and disable only the background data. Go back and then click on the storage or the internal storage, click on clear data and clear cache. When you click on those two options, all your snapshot is going to be reseated into the default mode, so you can log in again into your account and use it normal without any problems in the filters or any other problem. And that's it. Now turn off your phone and turn it on again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.